National Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Logan County in northeastern Colorado until 10:45 p.m. At 9:58 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over North Sterling Reservoir, or 11 miles northwest of Sterling, moving south at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Sterling, Logan Corners, Atwood, North Sterling Reservoir, Pawnee Pass, Padroni, and Willard. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing widespread damaging winds and large hail. Heavy rain is occurring with this storm and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.